Hello everyone, if you're getting the content unavailable error when you're trying to watch any video on X, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on X easily. So first off, you're going to open up your Play Store and here you're going to search for Warp and then you're going to click onto 1.1.1 with Warp. You're going to download this software and once it's done downloading, you're going to open it up. What this software does is it just changes your DNS address, so just connect it, wait for it to connect. And once it's connected, now you're going to open up your X application. And now when you try to watch any video, you'll see that you will not get that content unavailable error anymore. And all of the videos will work fine. So in this case, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.